Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and then go to the search at the bottom. After that, click at the search line at the top and write EDIFIER CONNECTS. Click search and you need to install the application what called EDIFIER CONNECTS. So install it. And now we need to open it. So click open. And right here we need to click agree, then also allow. Now go to the settings and it asks you to pair these earbuds, but I will do in the next video. I will add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!